Hello everyone, today is Friday, which must mean it's time for Junior Hub Assembly. I hope that you're all well. Let's see what we'll start with. We'll start with our hello song. Thumbs at the ready, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, it's good to see you. Hello, hello, it's good to see you. I must say, you made my day. Hello, hello, hello. One more time. Hello, hello, it's good to see you. Hello, hello, it's good to see you. I must say, you made my day. Hello, hello, hello. Well done for joining in, everyone. I wonder what we're going to be hearing about in our assembly today. Let's find out. Oh, Thursday the 23rd of April was St. George's Day. Have you heard of St. George? Do you know the story of St. George? Shall we listen and find out all about the story of St. George? St. George and the Dragon. Many years ago, in the times of magic and dragons, there lived a brave knight called St. George. There is St. George riding on his horse. Now, St. George was a knight. Now, the sign for knight is like you're holding a spear and then stroking your beard. So there lived a knight, and he was called St. George. St. George travelled the land looking for adventure. He might have taken his sword with him. Look, I've got a sword with me today. And I've also got, can you see my shield? I think he would have carried that with him as well. One day, he met an old man who told him a very strange tale. Every day, a hideous dragon eats a young lady from our village for his dinner. A dragon eats a lady for his dinner. Now there are no young ladies left in our village, and he wants the beautiful princess, the king's daughter. We must find a brave knight who will kill the dragon, or the king's daughter will be eaten tomorrow night. The king has promised that whoever kills the dragon will be able to marry his beautiful daughter. After hearing the old man's tale, St. George was determined that he was going to fight the dragon and kill the dragon and save the princess. There he is, having a dream about killing the dragon. He rested the night in the old man's house and awoke in the morning ready to kill the dragon. As soon as St. George saw the dragon, it began to roar. Now we have a sign for dragon as well, which is like this. You take your fingers, wiggle your fingers and move forward. So when St. George saw the dragon began to roar. And then great flames blew from his nostrils. That dragon seems pretty scary, doesn't he? But St. George was not afraid. He struck the beast with his spear. Yeah! The dragon was dead, and the princess was saved. All the village people were overjoyed. The evil dragon was dead. And the king was happy that his daughter had been saved. Oh, look, we've got a sign for king. So the sign for king is you have a crown on your head and then stroke your beard. The king was very happy that his daughter had been saved. As promised, St. George married the princess. Oh, princess. It's like princesses wear tiaras, don't they? Like small crowns. So you could move your fingers across your head like it's a tiara. And that's the sign for princess. St. George married the princess and they lived happily ever after. Because St. George was so brave, he became what we call the patron saint of England. And we remember him when we think about England. There's a statue of him killing the dragon. Can you see? With the spear right in the dragon there. And the red cross that was on his shield, like my shield, but it had a red cross on it, became the flag of England. Maybe you've seen that flag. That's the flag of England. And every year on the 23rd of April, English people celebrate St. George's Day, which was this week. So that was the story of St. George. It's only a story. We know that dragons aren't really real. They're just in stories. But it's nice to hear an exciting story. Okay. That's the end of the first part of Assembly. Part 2 will be coming soon.